Welcome again to PGK Kadam Academy. Key factors in plant layout selection. Selecting an optimal plant layout is crucial for creating an efficient, effective, and safe production environment. This video will explore the various factors that must be considered when designing a plant layout, ranging from product requirements and material flow to safety considerations and technology integration. By carefully evaluating these factors, companies can create a layout that maximizes productivity, minimizes costs, and adapts to future needs.
Let's study one by one key factors. First, factors. Product and process requirements. Type of product or service. Consider the specific characteristics and requirements of the products or services being produced. Production volume and demand. Assess the expected production quantities and market demand to determine layout capacity. Process complexity. Evaluate the intricacy of manufacturing processes and their impact on layout design.
Second factor is equipment and machinery considerations. When designing your plant layout, it's crucial to carefully account for the physical attributes and technical requirements of the equipment and machinery you'll be using. This includes size and shape it. Ensure you have the proper spacing and arrangement to accommodate the dimensions of your equipment. Power requirements in this. Plan for the necessary power and utility connections to support all machinery and minimize disruptions. Maintenance needs it covers. Design the layout to provide easy access for routine maintenance and repairs, maximizing uptime and operational efficiency.
Material flow and handling. Raw material receipt. Design efficient receiving areas for incoming raw materials, considering storage needs and accessibility. Work in progress movement. Plan for smooth flow of materials between production stages, minimizing bottlenecks and delays. Finished goods storage. Create adequate space for storing and organizing completed products before shipment. Shipping and distribution. Ensure easy access for outbound logistics with appropriate loading docks and staging areas. Next factor is workforce and personal considerations, in which safety and ergonomics here. Prioritize employee well-being by incorporating safety features and ergonomic design principles throughout the layout. Skill levels, which is account for the skill levels required for different tasks and design workstations accordingly to support efficient operations. Facilities and spaces it. Ensure adequate staffing for different shifts, while providing all employees with appropriate workspaces and facilities.
Next factor is about space utilization and its constraints. Here it covers available floor space. Assess the total available area and any layout constraints imposed by the building structure. Ceiling height. Consider vertical space for equipment, storage, and material handling systems. Expansion plans. Allow for future growth and potential layout changes in the initial design. Zoning regulations. Ensure compliance with local land use and zoning requirements when planning the layout. Next factor is safety and environmental considerations. Hazardous materials. Implement proper storage and handling procedures for dangerous substances. Fire safety. Design evacuation routes and install fire suppression systems throughout the facility. Environmental regulations. Ensure compliance with environmental standards and incorporate sustainable practices. Waste management. Plan for efficient waste collection, segregation, and disposal processes.
Designing for the future. Embrace automation. Integrate intelligent robotic systems and advance manufacturing to streamline operations and enhance productivity. Flexible expansion. Incorporate modular, adaptable elements to quickly expand and reconfigure as your business grows. Adaptable and resilient. Build in safety measures, redundant systems, and emergency plans to withstand unexpected challenges. How cost and budget considerations as factor as it involve. Initial investment. Initial costs for the design and implementation of the plant layout. Operating expenses. Recurring costs to operate and maintain the facilities. ROI. Expected return on investment and payback period. Cost-benefit analysis. Justification of plant design decisions based on financial impact. Regulatory compliance in manufacturing. Industry standards. Adhering to specific regulations and standards relevant to the manufacturing sector ensures the plant layout meets all required guidelines. Building codes. Complying with local building codes and zoning ordinances is crucial when designing the plant layout, considering factors like occupancy limits and safety requirements. Quality management. Integrating layout design with quality management systems like ISO 9001 ensures processes and workspaces support quality objectives.
How is Industry 4.0 and integrating technology is factor for plant layout? Automation for productivity. Incorporate advanced automation systems and robotics to enhance productivity and precision in manufacturing processes. Data-driven optimization. Implement data collection and analysis systems to optimize production and inform decision-making. Safeguarding operations. Ensure robust data protection measures are in place to safeguard sensitive information and operational systems. How this factor material handling equipment are considered. Conveyor belts. Plan efficient conveyor belt systems to move materials and products between workstations and production areas. Forklifts. Design aisles and storage areas to accommodate forklift operations for moving heavy materials. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs. Consider implementing AGVs for flexible and efficient material transport throughout the facility. Gantry cranes. Incorporate gantry crane systems to handle large or heavy equipment and materials. Next factor is ergonomics and workstation design. Anthropometric data. Use human body measurements to design workstations that accommodate a range of worker sizes and capabilities. Task analysis. Analyze specific job tasks to optimize workstation layout and reduce physical strain on employees. Adjustability. Implement adjustable workstations and equipment to accommodate different workers and tasks. Lighting and acoustics. Ensure proper lighting and noise control to create a comfortable and productive work environment. Next factor is sustainable manufacturing practices. Renewable energy. Install solar panels or other renewable energy sources to power your facility. Efficient lighting. Use LED lighting and smart controls to minimize energy consumption while maintaining proper illumination. Green building design. Implement sustainable building practices and materials to reduce your overall environmental footprint. Water conservation. Design water-efficient systems for production processes and facility management. Last factor is continuous improvement and lean principles. Value stream mapping. Analyze and optimize the flow of materials and information throughout the production process. 5S methodology. Implement sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain principles to maintain an efficient and organized workspace. Kaizen events. Regularly conduct improvement activities to identify and eliminate waste in the production process. Performance metrics. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure and improve plant layout effectiveness over time.